Hi guys, David here at First Place Auto Parts, and we are constantly adding the latest high quality restoration and performance parts for the American muscle car and our customers. First Place Auto Parts is excited to offer the massive vehicle coverage of high quality and correct fitment for cars and trucks products from ACC Carpets. Today in the studio we have Randall Bates, who is ACC's national sales representative, to tell us more about the company and its products. Hey Randall, welcome to the First Place Auto Parts studio.
It's good to be here.
It's great to have you, man. Why don't you tell me a little bit about yourself and how long you've been at ACC?
I've been in ACC since 2007. I've been in the industry since 93 or 94, something like that.
Where does your company manufacture its parts at, and who's your typical customer?
Well, our typical customer is everybody from the average trim shop in a small town to your biggest e-retailer platforms. Everything is manufactured in the United States, and Anniston, Alabama is our home base right there.
Okay. And do you guys make products for cars, trucks, early, late model? Do you have a specialty as far as, the type of vehicles that you make product for, or is it a lot of different types of vehicles?
We got a good coverage, everything from the mid-40s all the way up to present day.
So Randall, tell me how your product's made.
We'll start with a blank of carpet that's a certain length to your car, 75, 95 inches, whatever it is, like that. And then we'll take it to a mold, and it's a male and a female part to it. The carpet itself has got a special backing on it, and once it's heated up, the backing on it, it's like a plastic type of backing without getting too technical or anything. We put it inside of the mold, and the mold, like I said, is a male and female part, and it'll have the padding in there. The mold will be an exact replica of the floor pan. Then we press it down and let it cool. That's basically how we do it. And then we take it out, we trim it, put a heel pad on it, that's it.
And each floor pan is dedicated for a certain car, correct? You don't just have one male and female mold. It's a floor pan that is a mimic of the original floor pan that car had.
We have thousands of different molds to have it covered.
It must take up a lot of space.
It does. We have several different warehouses.
Okay, now that we have a rough idea how it's made, what should a customer know about installing carpet in their car?
You lay it out, and you take it out of the box, you lay it out in the sun. That's the number one thing. The sun helps it relax. The backing of it, like I said, it's got a special backing on it, plastic, and once it heats up, it'll start relaxing out of the box to it. Take the old carpet out of it, you lay it on top of the new carpet, and then you can mark the holes where the seat bolts all come in there. Right there. Again, if you have any kind of questions or anything like that, some of the people that's installed it in the past have got great YouTube videos on it, and I'd encourage you to watch that right there.
When you go to cut the carpet, do you actually use the old carpet as the template? Because you leave it a little long, is that correct?
We do,
okay.
We do. So the new carpet will have a memory to it, have the transmission tunnel. I always like to lay the old carpet on top of it, so you see exactly where the whole seat bolts are. You mark it with that right there, and then that's where you'll be starting to lay it all in there.
Okay, and is there a seam that comes, is the carpet one piece, or is it two pieces, or?
Some of them one piece, more of the restoration grade type carpets came in two pieces of it. The seam goes from left to right. It does not go up and down the transmission tunnel, okay. And you would be surprised that you have to say that to people.
Maybe not so surprised. Yeah. All right, well, that's good. That's good information. Okay, now that we have a better understanding of ACC Carpets, where they're manufactured, your products, what does ACC do inside of the automotive aftermarket to support it or to participate?
ACC has been a member of SEMA since 1993, and it's displayed at the show every single year, and an active member in the ARMO organization.
Now, SEMA didn't happen last year. Think it's going to happen this year?
They're saying yes. They're saying yes. So all we can do is keep our fingers crossed.
Okay, so for some car guy stuff, do you own a classic muscle car or truck? And if not, what is your favorite kind of car? What would you own if you could have anything in your garage?
CJ7 Jeep. I just like those.
6-cylinder or the 304 V8?
Bigger the better. I like those. I want to go from one gas station to the next right there. I do like those. Yeah, and then for some ungodly reason, I do like the early 70s Ford long bed trucks.
Wow.
I just like them.
Now that was one I didn't see coming, but hey, catch you know what? That 8-foot bed, you can carry a lot of straw, a lot of hay.
Absolutely.
Even your dirt bike can leave the tailgate up. So
absolutely.
That's cool, man.
Yeah.
All right, well, there you have it, guys. I really appreciate Randall from ACC Carpets coming into the studio today. To find the ACC quality line of carpets and floor mats, go to fpautoparts.com, where you will find literally all the carpets and thousands of other restoration and performance parts you may need for your car project. Until next time, keep the hammer down and keep it between the guardrails.